Alright, so if you want to make formulas work automatically in Microsoft Excel, here is the video for that. So as you can see guys, we want to make a total out of these marks into the student one ID. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to select the total marks cell, and then from the under the home tab, you will probably see the auto sum. So if we select on that and simply hit enter, and as you can see, we got our total marks of the student one. But the problem is when we update this one of these numbers, like in the history, he got 45. So if we update this number as 75, as you can see, the total number doesn't increase. So this is the problem arrive if you don't make formulas work automatically. So how we can fix this issue? First of all, we need to go to the menu bar, and then from here, we need to go to the formulas. Now, if you see the calculation options, then you need to tap on this option and then simply select the automatic. So now it will upgrade automatically. So if we just update the geographical number to 50 to 25, let's say, and hit enter, and as you can see, the number has been updated automatically. So that's how you can make formulas work automatically in Microsoft Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.